vildeste show her i Bella Arena.
Det er 9. gang, at det handler om denne her.
Club Awards.
Der er lidt flere nerver, end der plejer at være.
Put your fucking hands up.
The energy here is something very special.
Let the game begin.
Red light.
Everybody's so nice over here.
Green light.
We got a lot of talent from the country, international people. It's a very special party.
Red light.
Do it for the culture.
Club Awards, hvor der rent faktisk bliver spillet live musik. Det betyder rigtig meget for os, fordi vi elsker musik.
Jeg er totalt enig.